Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. For our 50th episode, we'll be hiking Dege Peak in Mount Rainier National Park. This easy hike travels 4 gently rolling miles, climbs only 600 feet, and tops out at 7,006 feet. From the Visitors Center, we head uphill towards Sourdough Ridge. We follow signs to Dege Peak and will soon take a right and split from the main trail. We merge with the Sourdough Ridge Trail and catch our first glimpse of the rugged terrain to our north. Wispy clouds roll in like fog. The spur trail to Dege Peak is only 0.3 miles long, but travels mostly uphill. That's Dege Peak, straight ahead. We're socked in at the summit and unable to enjoy the 360-degree view. That's all for now. See you next time.